Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Inimba from the 13th to the 17th of July 2026 on Monday. Lwandle uncovers a betrayal that shatters everything he believes about his parents. Xolane's declaration forces the Mabandla to confront an impossible choice, and Lazarus and Zolega finally set a date for forever on Tuesday. Lwandle turns on the people he trusted most. Qhawe challenges Zolega in a battle that quickly becomes personal, and Zethu's return forces all goes back into the room on Wednesday. Lwandle makes Lazarus and Zolega an offer they could destroy the Zondo Empire from within. Zethu comes face to face with the man she has tried so hard to forget, and a power struggles at Khusela threatened to derail everything on Thursday. Sydney's desperate bid to win back his son opens the door for something far more dangerous. Xolani and Zethu begin to realize that love may not be enough. For one offer changes the rule of the corporate war forever on Friday. Lazarus is tempted by an offer that could cost him everything he believes in. The Mabandla are forced to accept that Xolani and Zethu's future is no longer theirs to control. And one unexpected encounter leaves Zolega questioning everything. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.